Good morning, and thank you for joining us for this exciting virtual event. I'm Charlie Shields, President and Chief Executive Officer of University Health. That's right, the purpose of this virtual event is to let you, our trusted partners, supporters, and friends in the community know that as of today, Kansas City's Essential Hospital will be known as University Health. The reason for this change is simple. University Health reflects our status as a premier academic medical center in the region. For our patients, this means our providers offer high-quality, research-based academic medical care for all. Let's take a moment to see what this change means for the community and, most important, for our patients. We are excited that we're finally here. This has been a long time in coming. We are marking the beginning of a new chapter for this healthcare system, a hospital with roots in this community dating back to the 1870s. 1870, think about that. For more than 150 years, we've been an essential part of providing healthcare to folks in Kansas City and Jackson County.
Today, this healthcare system is growing and quickly changing. This is not the same hospital as it was 20 years ago, 15 years, even 10 years ago. So it's important that our name accurately reflects who we are today. We are an academic medical center.
What does that mean to you, our patients, and our friends in the community? It means you're being treated by the best of the best. Healthcare providers who are qualified to teach the doctors, nurses, dentists, and pharmacists of tomorrow. And for the patient, this means a collaborative team approach to healthcare. In most cases, you won't just have one provider in the room.
You're in the hands of a team of experts, asking those key questions, working together to come up with the most comprehensive treatment approach.
And we can offer any patient excellent care with a good ethical and moral attitude, and one that will make them feel important, because every day the bottom line is the patient comes first.
It's important that our name reflects our mission of providing academic medicine for all.
And our new name is University Health.
While our name is changing, our commitment to you and the communities we serve remains the same. Our services go beyond the four walls of our hospital. We go into our communities. We work together with community centers, faith-based groups, and family-owned businesses to provide you with health education, information to empower you and your family to make smart, healthy choices.
We're excited about this. Our new name comes at a time of unprecedented growth for this hospital. We have a brand new state-of-the-art primary care and women's care building, new private patient rooms, and soon an expanded cutting-edge neonatal intensive care unit, and a redesigned entryway which honors our past and reflects our vision for the future. We want Kansas City to know we are proud to be University Health.
We are
University Health.
We are University Health, academic medicine for all. While our name will change, our mission will not. We are Kansas City's Essential Hospital. This is not only an important day for our patients and staff here at University Health, it's also important to Kansas City. One person who knows a lot about Kansas City and this hospital is Mayor Quentin Lucas.
Thank you, Charlie. What a thrilling day this is for University Health and for Kansas City. This announcement serves as a reminder that we are home to an academic medical center that attracts young, bright talent here to Kansas City. And many of those future doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and dentists will build their careers here and offer their talents to Kansas City. Now, I was born at Truman Medical Centers, and I know the hospital has come a long way since that day. It's exciting to see all of the growth. Just last December, I was honored to take part in the grand opening of University Health 2, the newest addition to the hospital. I look forward to many new changes and advances to come. And just look at what you have done over the past 18 months. Your community outreach efforts have helped supply over 200,000 people with valuable information about COVID testing, free masks, and easy access to the vaccine. Yes, Truman Medical Centers has a long, proven record of accomplishment as a healthcare leader in the community. And under the University Health name, I'm excited to see the mission continue of providing academic medicine for all.
When deciding this name change, we knew we must honor our past, and our new name reflects that. Our downtown campus will be officially known as University Health Truman Medical Center. You'll see our University Health clinics throughout the area. Our Eastern Jackson County campus will be University Health Lakewood Medical Center, and that's where we meet up with Chief Operating Officer Lynette Wheeler, who's there with a familiar face in Jackson County.
Thank you, Charlie. Frank and I are happy to be here celebrating this new name and era. One name that will stay the same at University Health Lakewood Medical Center is the best Truman Family Medicine Center and Maternal Care Clinic. A countless number of families in Jackson County have trusted the providers in this clinic as they've welcomed new babies into the world, raised their children, and prioritized living their healthiest lives. The Best Truman Clinic is a great example of how and why academic medicine works. The skilled attending providers train family medicine resident physicians, and those young residents hungry for knowledge require attending physicians to stay sharp. So whether or not you've been here in the past, we welcome you to become part of our future at University Health Lakewood Medical Center.
This name change is a step forward for the health and wellness of people throughout Jackson County. Over the past 150 years, this campus has been transformed from Jackson County's safe haven for the weak and aging to a thriving medical center it is today. The University Health System has proved invaluable during this COVID-19 pandemic. My wife Teresa and I received our COVID vaccines together at University Health. Altogether, the medical center has given more than 118,000 doses of the vaccine. Whether you received your care here at the University Health Lakewood Medical Center or the outlying clinics in Raytown, Independence, or Green Valley, know that as the name changes, the commitment remains the same to patients and the people of Jackson County. I know University Health is where the brightest minds and biggest hearts in medicine come to care for patients.
Here, we teach the providers of the future and continue advancing what it means to care for and about our patients.
We like to say academic medicine is in our DNA. Our history includes a School of Nursing dating back to 1911 in the former City Hospital and continued in General Hospital No. 2 until 1957. In 1973, Dr. Kendall McNabney, who recently passed away, established the first emergency medicine residency program in the country. And in the mid-70s, Truman Medical Center opened to replace an outdated general hospital. The UMKC School of Medicine also opened. One of the reasons this hospital exists is to serve as a teaching hospital for the UMKC Schools of Medicine, Nursing, Dentistry, and Pharmacy. Let's hear more about this unique partnership from our good friends, UMKC Chancellor C. Molly Agrawal and Dr. Mary Ann Jackson, Dean of the School of Medicine.
Thank you, Charlie. Today, Chancellor Agrawal and I are delighted to be here talking about this new chapter in academic medicine.
You're right, Dean Jackson. It's a chapter in a long history shared between UMKC Schools of Medicine, Nursing and Health Studies, Pharmacy and Dentistry, and the hospital system, now known as University Health. Today, both the hospital and the schools are located in Kansas City's thriving health sciences district. Our partnership dates back nearly 50 years. In that era, our local leaders had the forethought, vision, and determination to move forward with a bold idea to build a new school of medicine along with a new hospital. Those leaders knew in order to be successful, it was crucial to have the new medical school connected to the new hospital. Our students begin to build strong foundations at UMKC that lead to successful careers as future doctors, nurses, dentists, and pharmacists, leaders in their professions. Each year, more than 900 students from the UMKC Schools of Medicine, Nursing and Health Studies, and Pharmacy are educated in this hospital. And nearly 40% of the School of Medicine graduates practice right here in the Kansas City area.
There are more than 700 medical students who train at this hospital, and on any single day, you will find at least 100 on this site. We also have a large GME presence with more than 500 residents and fellows in more than 40 different programs that provide patient care. This partnership has had a major impact on the community, and our faculty are recognized as national experts in their fields of medicine. Academic medical centers have a three-pronged mission: education, research, and patient care. University Health collaborates with the School of Medicine on research grants, community outreach, and shared wellness for our faculty, students, and our neighborhoods. We have always known this healthcare system provides academic medicine for all.
And now, the name University Health reflects that mission. Thank you.
Usually, an announcement this big comes with a lot of pomp and circumstance. But as you know, we are experiencing unique times. As leaders in COVID education, testing, and vaccine distribution, we chose to make this morning's announcement a virtual event. Our entire staff here at University Health has been working hard throughout these challenging times. Each member of our team continues to provide the care our patients have come to expect and deserve. I want to personally thank all of our staff members for their commitment and dedication. What better way to usher in our new name than bringing together former and current staff who've worked here during other past transitions.
My name is Thelma Tennyson Talley. From 1954 to 1957, I attended nursing school at General Hospital Number 2. I worked at both hospitals, Number 1 and 2, during the 60s. I was an OR nurse during my entire working career. I am thrilled to be part of the University Health family.
Hello, I'm Fran Otto. I worked as a registered nurse in the emergency room at Kansas City General Hospital and at Truman Medical Center. I'm proud of my role in this academic medical center we now know as University Health.
Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Griffith. We've celebrated many changes since I came here 37 years ago to what was then known as Truman Medical Center East. Today, as the chairman of family medicine, I celebrate the continued dedication to our patients.
I am honored to have worked at General Hospital, Truman Medical Centers, and now University Health. Hi, I'm Susie Leininger, Assistant Corporate Director of Education and Research. I've been a registered nurse here since 1973.
My name is Javier Gutierrez. Many great providers have come and gone in the 46 years I've been in this medical center. It's exciting to be part of this change to University Health.
I came to Truman Medical Center when this building was new in 1976. Hi, I am T. Taylor, and I think to look back on the past is rewarding. To look forward is exciting.
I'm Dr. Mark Steele. It's been 47 years since I entered the University of Missouri Kansas City School of Medicine as a medical student. Today, as Executive Chief Clinical Officer, I am very proud of University Health's commitment to provide academic medicine for all.
Hello, I am Dr. Shanice Robinson, a resident physician, and I am proud to be part of the next generation of medical providers here at University Health.
Thank you all for taking time to be part of our celebration. We are thrilled to begin this new era of University Health, where we deliver high-quality, research-based, and academic care for all, every day.
This is where we welcome the toughest, most complex cases, where the next generation of caregivers find their calling, where everyday breakthroughs and innovations matter to our neighbors and all of Kansas City. This is where we teach, heal, and care. This is where we deliver academic medicine for all. This is University Health.